Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our single Washington door today. So we're on the Washington door. So this door is a 42 by 96 inch door, which means it's 42 inches from outside to outside, 96 inches from all the way to the top to the bottom of the threshold right here. Really nice door. I think it's a very elegant looking door. This door has a lot going for it. It's got a lot of scroll work, some bars, some knuckles, some bands. So, and also all these pickets are solid metal and heated and hammered to that point. This door is oil rub bronze. Starts off as a black door, then we rub the bronze on there, and then we clear coat it to protect it. This is a low E glass. So that is basically clear glass with a little bit of reflection, so it doesn't take in all the UV rays and change your flooring color or furniture color. All of our doors have a dual bore system on this. It's 5.5 from center to center. And this allows you to do a thumb trigger lock if you like, which has the handle with a thumb and a deadbolt on top. Or if you like, you can also do a deadbolt on top and a big metal handle, because all of our doors have roller catches. When I flip this around, I'll show you guys that part of it. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Washington door. These are the roller catches I was talking about. These two little flathead screws adjust the roller catches in and out. So this will allow you to put a deadbolt, and the roller catches will keep it shut while the door is unlocked, if you want to do a big metal handle. And also, if you have a thumb trigger lock, you can also adjust those roller catches. It tends to save the lock. If you have an inexpensive lock on, you can adjust the roller catches and it'll help the lock not break over time because the doors are so heavy. Let me show you guys how the glass opens. You twist the knobs, unthread the little knobs, twist them over, glass opens up, makes it easy to clean the glass, clean all the scroll work. Also remember, all of our doors have a option for a screen under a special order. We actually eliminate this weather stripping that's on the door. We put a flat bar, and then we add a screen that's magnetic on there. Really awesome door. Again, I think it's a very elegant looking door that'll go good with a lot of different kinds of styles of houses. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next door. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the Washington showcase today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@PINKYS irondoors.com. Thank you.